So I'm doing an Express Crochet, and I'm actually going to do it. It's the first time I've ever tried this by mixing styles. So I'm going to mix boho braids and boho locks. I am using the Harlem 125 brand Kima Braid Boho Box Braid 22 inches in color T1B27, and same brand Harlem 125 Kima Braid Boho Goddess Lock in 22 inches T1B27. And I'm going to use 4 packs. So the first thing I'm going to do is part the front off, and that's going to be ear to ear. I'm basically going to create 14 little squares. So this is my braid pattern. You can do any braid pattern you want. The important thing is that the braids are connecting going back, and I'll show you what I mean. So I do one really big one at the temple because this is my most fragile hair and I want to protect it. I don't want to do a little tiny braid that's then going to have the weight of the crochet in it. Some braiding gel. One. And then I'm going to connect going back. Okay, so I have my 14 little squares. Now I'm going to combine them all into one braid on the side. All right, I'm feeling super lazy and super tired tonight, so I'm just going to do 3 rows. Okay, the top one is the most important because it's going to be the fullest and it's going to hide any gaps below. So let's start with the top. I've had a lot of questions about gaps up here. This top row, these 2 braids have to be able to meet right here at the top. They're going to come from this point down here, and they're going to have to come up and meet here. So make sure that they're positioned so that they can meet right at the tippy top of your head. So we're going to take this one and join it with this. Right here. The best part about this, in my opinion, is that it does not matter if you're a good braider or if you're a neat braider. It doesn't matter. All right, now here comes the best part. You grab your beater, you grab your crochet, put the crochet on the beater, braid through the beading hole, pull it up. So I got a lot of questions about the rubber band. People are worried about the rubber band popping. I am not using those little tiny flimsy ones. I'm using one that's a little sturdier. They are tiny. Okay, you're gonna connect. Okay, and then this part is important. You're going to tighten, and then you're going to flip this underneath so that you can slide the braids over it. No, don't slip. Don't do it. Don't do it. With this one, I definitely want a little extra security, so I am going to just pull her super tight. Okay, and I'm going to braid this up. Tuck it under. Now I can slide these braids over. Okay, now this is slipping back a little bit. I'm actually going to crochet through. One here. So this whole back row, I'm going to crochet onto this to hold it in place. Okay, so the top now is very secure. It ain't sliding, it ain't moving, it ain't going nowhere. And now I'm going to do the front, and we're ready to go. All right, so here it is. This is mixed media crochet, locks and braids, boho locks, boho braids, boho mania. Let me know what you think.